guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title of the video, that I'm going to talk about my experience with knotless box braids. Yes, and a little disclaimer, I'm not a professional hairstylist, braider, or nothing like that. Just want to talk about my experience and everything else. And the products that I'm going to be using or talking about, this is not sponsored, so a little disclaimer. So yes, so if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Please hit that red button that says subscribe. Hit that notification bell when you want to be notified when I have a new video coming out. Please like this video and let's continue on with the video. Let's talk about these knotless box braids. So first, I want to give a shout out to the girl that did my box braids. She knows who she is, so I will link her Instagram down below and on the screen. So yeah, hit her up. She's great. And let's get into the video. Let's talk more about the video. So let's talk more about the braids. So yeah, so I got knotless medium box braids. I had these box braids for about 2 weeks, almost 3. This is my first time getting box braids, so definitely a beginner to getting box braids. So I just want to talk about a little bit about the knotless box braids. So yeah, so these are medium box braids. This is synthetic hair by Express synthetic hair. So I'm gonna say I recommend these braids if you want to protect your hair, if you're going on vacation, all the above. If you want to protect your hair, get these knotless box braids. So that's why I really got them, because I am relaxed and I really want to give my hair a break on getting relaxers, putting heat to my hair and all the other stuff. So I really wanted to get box braids. It really looks nice. Pictures I've seen so many people or so many girls get knotless box braids, so why not give it a try? So, and plus, this pandemic, we don't know what's going to happen with these hair salons, so why not just get knotless box braids, protect your hair, and when this is all over, we can go back to our normal schedule. But I think I'm going to keep getting knotless box braids for a while, or keep getting protective hairstyles, because I really want my hair to be really thick and long. I even have to cut my hair. That's a whole long story, but yeah. So I am relaxed. I definitely feel different wearing these box braids because they are long, you know, but they are definitely mid-back length. I would recommend getting a silk bonnet, getting anything that's silk, getting silk pillowcases, anything that's silk to protect this hair, you have to get. So that's what I've learned and that's what I've researched. So do your research and you'll be fine. So do I wash my hair? I actually just finished washing my hair for the first time. And I basically, let me show you guys what I do. So I basically use this bottle. I got this for $2 at my local beauty salon or beauty supply. Beauty supply. And I fill this up with water, not the whole thing, but like maybe half. And then I put a little bit of shampoo. I spray it, and then I rub it gently, and then you just rinse it out. But don't go crazy. Just, gently massage your hair with the shampoo and water and rinse it out. That's it. So this is how my hair looks after 2 weeks. Show you guys. I kind of try to do my edges. Definitely new. But yeah, this is my hair after 2 weeks of having it. Not too bad. Not too bad, not too bad. Just want to show you guys. But yeah, this is my hair after 2 weeks. I did get the triangle part. So yeah, just take care of your hair, guys. And what else I want to talk about? So the products that I use for like as a foam. I use this. This is the Weave Aid. This is the Weave Aid Healthy Hair Care. This is the foam. I use this when I wash my hair. Just put on your hair and then just let it sit And I just want to say, your hair will get itchy. Oh my god, guys, like I never had so much itch in my head that it's crazy. I was like, oh my god, this is crazy. I really gotta take this out. But I held it in, just, you know, this is what helped me. So I really love this line. So I use this. I'll link the products down below. But yeah, I use this for my itch. It moisturizes, it hydrates, moisturizes hair and scalp. It stops the itching. Let me tell you guys, when this is my holy grail. If you want to get knotless box braids, get this mist spray, protective mist. It will stop the itch. It will stop. It will stop. I recommend getting that spray. So yeah, in the spray bottle with the water, I use this shampoo. I'm telling you guys, I love this line. This is not sponsored again. But yeah, so I use this shampoo. It's really, really good. You really get like a tingle. This line is definitely good if you have protective hairstyle. So I recommend this line. Gotta oil your hair really good, because you gotta remember, you gotta take care of your hair under this hair. So you really gotta oil your hair. I would say at least twice a week. Oil your hair. So I use this oil to moisturize my hair. Yeah, so I'm telling you, I love this line. This line is where I recommend getting this oil. This is like my second bottle. I actually used this bottle when I had my relaxed hair, just without the braids. I use this oil. So it's even better with having braids. So I recommend getting this oil. This edge control, recommended by my sister. So yeah, I use ORS edge control. But yeah, that's the product that I use. What else I want to say? So I'm gonna say that I wouldn't treat this hair like you have regular box braids, because you gotta remember, this is knotless box braids. It's less tension on your hair, so your hair is more out than it is in box braids. So you really gotta be mindful of that. So yeah, keep your hair moisturized. Don't treat this hair like it's regular box braids, because it's not. I do want to say that if this is your first time getting knotless box braids, your hair will be stiff, and after a while it will start to move, and you'll feel more comfortable with having the braids. So just be mindful of that, because I wasn't. This is my first time getting knotless box braids, so this was my experience. So let's talk about the pros and cons of knotless box braids so far of having it. So my pro, I would have to say, it looks natural. Natural. So it looks natural, it looks like your real hair, you know. So that's one. It gives your hair a break. It gives your relaxed hair a break. So that's another. And it's not heavy. This hair is definitely not heavy. So you will feel comfortable, or you don't feel like it's weighing you down. So you feel comfortable having these braids. So again, there's no tension to the hair. It did not hurt at all. Shout out to the girl that did it. You know who you are. I love her. But yeah, so definitely recommend getting this hair, because it's not tension. It will not hurt. So you'll be okay, ladies. You'll be okay. So that's it for the pros. So, you know, this is my first time. So let's talk about the cons. Let's talk about the cons of this these braids. So there's not that many cons, really. It's really more pros to me. So it depends on the person. So if one con, I would say, if you're not ready to sit down for 5 hours or sit down for a long amount of time, don't get these braids. But yeah, so it's all worth it. Don't worry. But you will sit for 5 hours at least when I'm getting these braids. I forgot to mention, I actually use 2 packs of hair. And again, they are expressed 2 packs of hair for medium size knotless box braids. Forgot to mention that. So they are costly. They are expensive. So some people may charge you $200 and up. So I got lucky. My sister actually told me about her friend that does Knotless box braids. So I got it done, and she was such a sweetheart. Shout out to her again. I just love her. But yeah, shout out to her again. So she only charged me $185. So that was amazing. I got lucky with that. But yeah, so this hairstyle lasts about 6 to 12 weeks, depending on how you take care of it. So this is my second week of having it. So it still looks good because I take care of it. You gotta take care of your hair. But yeah, so it lasts 6 to 12 weeks, and that's it for the cons. But yeah, so if you really like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're new. I do reviews on products. I do review on my hair. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys.